start off by saying we don't recommend trying this at home.
We like to do what we call is limitation test. And by testing the limits, so we plug the speaker into the wall socket. That's right. That's right. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna go through all these speakers and start plugging them into the wall and see what happens. And we'll see if this speaker can handle the wall socket. So not much. See this one? Got a little bit of rip in the surround, so we're not really too worried about this one being an enclosure. Wish us luck and wish this guy luck. See if he holds up to the test.
Where's that speaker?
This speaker here.
Alright, those speakers.
So we're about to blow, do the endurance test on this speakers that I've got in this box here. So let's see what we got. Boom! Let's see how these hold up. Thanks for joining us for our first video of blowing components up.
Yeah. If you want to see us continue to blow up some more stuff, feel free to send us any of your old equipment that you don't really care for.
It's worth being blown up.
Might as well.
Check us out. You know, like, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you guys want to see. Find us on Facebook, of course, LIS Audio, and make sure
stay tuned.